There's another antique coming in. Oh, they have so many beautiful ones coming. I need to back it up a little bit more, huh? Alright. Definitely have so many of them coming in. Wow. So many to do videos on, it's unreal. This is just a beautiful, beautiful show. When they said 250, boy, I'll tell you what, it's raining and everything. They're still all coming out. And there's a whole line. Vehicles still coming around the corner. They were all in a parade and they're all getting here. This is beautiful. Oh my goodness, look at that. 1930. Oh, they're gonna have to wait now, one at a time. Oh, almost need to back them up a little bit. I don't know how they're gonna get that extra double rows here. Oh. Okay, 1931. Wow, alright, look at these vehicles here. A few more that you got to see drive in and stuff. If you have a YouTube channel, be sure to sub me. There you go.